Today, I decided to use Tribhuvan Domestic Airport to go to Pokhara, the second largest city in Nepal. Inside the airport, you can find various airline ticketing counters. Domestic flights were also crowded with local people and tourists. Pokhara is about 30 minutes away by plane from Kathmandu. About 15 minutes after takeoff, I was able to see the magnificent Himalayan mountains. It's truly a sight you can't take your eyes off. To fully enjoy the scenery, we recommend sitting on the right side of the airplane seat. After seeing the amazing sight, I came to my senses and the city of Pokhara came into view. Finally arrived at Pokhara Airport. Although it was small in size, the airport looked clean even though it was recently opened. The road into the city by car was not that crowded compared to Kathmandu. Perhaps because Pokhara has many mountains and rivers, the air was much better than Kathmandu. And there were many different restaurants all over the street. I decided to climb the mountain to see the whole of Pokhara. The view of downtown Pokhara from the mountain was really nice. Annapurna and Fiwa Lake, visible from afar, were so beautiful that it is difficult to express them in words. We plan to show various aspects of Pokhara at Nepal Holic. Please be sure to subscribe and like.